Pedi longoli lodara Atupiton na polonete muna pumpum o district alo Kotido nyesida bwajore ino mayar kamona neda losra kokwa kitukum o district alo na park.
These warriors reported stolen some unspecified number of livestock and they were heading towards a beam. So we had to intercept and lay ambush where we put one out of action, actually two out of action, and on identification, one disease was identified as long-old aped. This happens to be the vice chairperson, LC3 of Napumpum.
Ide ngare no koludo Kotido mkezda poti keutebe la twanilo nyezda lemare kokolani la tione ke pone noi ido nyezde tojo karase unyesi kwa pelode ra Atupiton LC3 ojaida munebe tie pala koko.
Long-old aped was a notorious warrior. So during elections of 2021, we decided to sit down. How can we cool this guy? So for me, I sat down with them. I told the council, please, this is a notorious man. Let him be a vice, my vice, so that I talk to him every day to leave whatever of this.
Not the first leader to die in a raid. LC1s have died in raids. LC2s have died in raids. Peace committees have died in raids. So that's why it is not for me anything. But also the other one is an illiterate man who cares nothing about his position but thinks about his survival. So he dies in a raid.
Araide duma kita nyesido kwa ne yapi silo baka ebe abulatwa no loma kai monyi chan neda bui sumu nebe arainyi kokinto siba korolo ichika kinte nyesi ebunyesa bongoro kitwa koko.
He told me one day that please chairman, now we have been elected. We have not touched even one coin. It is now about a year. Is this council alive? I told him, please, we are waiting, our money will enter in areas. Just keep hold on. So that's what I know. He told me, for my children, they are suffering, my women are suffering. I have 3 women. So I told him, before going yesterday, then I told him, please, keep hold on, you just stay at home. Stay, things will come.
Even warned government in a meeting with the minister, even warned government that I have nothing to take care of myself and the children, and so I must look for ways to survive. So you see that is, if a leader who is elected can be forced to get to that extreme, what do you expect of the rest of the people who are waiting to die? Because then they will be saying it is all one death. Whether hunger kills you or a bullet kills you, it is all death.
I am also aware that sometime last year, he lost all his animals to the Mateniko. All his animals were raided. When Nandutu, Minister of State for Karamoja, was here, he spoke to her and said the attempt to recover animals was not fruitful. Therefore, he gave assurance that he must survive, and therefore he will find his way to survive. And I think in the process of looking for survival, he has ended up in death.
And you don't know like a talakario. So, I told you, I'm going to put on the so you know, you're going to put the
Kwenye dola Ayuara kesi de umo kintose be arailo makisengare no koda koko inga ibode buna swamke da kesi ano inya kuna ipuchune tomana Karamoja.
So an indication and very unfortunate that the leaders, some of the leaders in this sub-region who could have helped and cooperated with the Joint Security Forces, they again turn around and instead get involved in cattle raids. This accelerates the vice of criminality, and really we condemn it.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Karamoja.